The story of Masjid Qiblatain, the Mosque of Two Qiblas, is a significant chapter in Islamic history. It is located in Medina and is famous for being the place where the direction of prayer, Qibla, was changed from Jerusalem, Beit al-Maqdis, to Makkah, the Kaaba. Background: before the migration of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to Medina, Muslims used to face Jerusalem in their prayers, as it was the sacred place for all the earlier prophets. However, after the Prophet's migration to Medina, Allah decided to change the direction of the Qibla. The change of Qibla. The incident occurred during the Prophet's peace be upon him prayer at Masjid Qiblatain in Medina. As the Prophet peace be upon him was praying with his companions, a revelation came to him instructing him to turn towards the Kaaba instead of Jerusalem. The change is mentioned in the Quran. Indeed, we have seen the turning of your face toward the heaven, so we will surely turn you to a Qibla with which you will be pleased. So turn your face toward al-Masjid al-Haram, and wherever you, believers, may be, turn your faces toward it. Surah al-Baqarah. The reaction of the believers. When the change of Qibla was revealed, it caused some confusion among the companions, especially those who were still praying toward Jerusalem. However, they accepted the command of Allah without hesitation, demonstrating their unwavering faith. This moment showed the unity of the Ummah in obeying Allah's will, even when it involved a major change.